Did you know that you can rinse your hair with green tea to promote hair growth? Hey guys!
Nice.
Today I'm going to apply this hair rinse made of green tea, leave it on for a little bit more of the indicated time to show you what it can do to your scalp and hair with only one use. If you're new to this channel, and here we talk about natural beauty, so if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified when a new video is up. To make this green tea hair rinse, all you gotta do is to pour 2 cups of water to a container, add 2 green tea bags to it, and then just let the tea bags soak overnight before application. I love this particular way because it ensures that this rinse is gonna keep the potency and the benefits of the tea much better than the boiling method.
6.5 hours later.
Now you're going to apply this hair rinse before you wash your hair in the shower, because in this way will allow your scalp and roots to absorb all the green tea antioxidants and vitamins better. To begin this process, you gotta change that pretty clothes that you're wearing right now. I learned that green tea loves to fix your hair but also loves to stain your clothes, so just use something that you don't mind if it gets messed up. Applying this green tea rinse on your hair is super simple. The only thing I need you to focus is on pouring this rinse into your scalp and roots only, and massage a little bit while you distributing the product, just like this. That's why using a squeeze bottle or spray bottle could help you with the application. I know it is tempting to apply this in your hair, but this rinse is made up for removing buildup and dead skin cells out of your scalp and strengthening your roots. So let's just focus on that right now. As you can see, the more you apply, the more it drips everywhere, so eventually it's gonna get to your hair and then to the floor.
Please, no! No!
So you should apply this over the sink or put a towel around your neck to avoid extra mess.
2 hours later.
At this point, the scalp and roots are absolutely soaked in green tea, so I'm just gonna stop application and carefully squeeze some water out of my hair. Then I'll put my hair in a bun and cover my head with a plastic bag. After this, you just gotta leave this rinse on your hair for about an hour before you wash it off with shampoo. Listen to me, 1 hour for oily hair and 20 minutes for dry hair. Please don't go anywhere because the steps you gotta follow next are super important also. According to Healthline, the antioxidant containing green tea can decrease the hormone that causes hair loss, and instead it helps to prolong the hair growth phase. That's why applying green tea on your hair and drinking it as well is so beneficial when your hair problems are dandruff, itchy scalp, extreme oily hair, hair loss, and hair shedding. The antioxidants, vitamins, and caffeine found in green tea will strengthen your hair, promote hair growth by helping your scalp to stay super clean, and stimulate hair follicles to regrow more hair.
1 hour later.
Time is up, guys, and to avoid green tea dehydrating your hair, when you wash it off, you need to follow these steps. Shampoo first, conditioner second, hair mask third, cold water at the end of the shower to seal the hair follicles and add extra hydration, and when your hair is completely dry, apply a hair serum. I'm so excited to show you my results, so let's do it. Before using this hair rinse, as you can see, hair was super oily, itchy, and I had dandruff. After the dandruff and itchiness I had is gone.
Nice.
Every hair strand feels so strong right now, and my hair has so much volume on the roots that I cannot believe it. If you're gonna try this at home, consider to do this once a week if you have dandruff, oily scalp, or if your hair is shedding. And for normal to dry hair, only use this once or twice a month. All I ask you guys is not to try this rinse every day because green tea can potentially dry your hair pretty bad. I really hope that I encourage you guys to try this at home, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura vida!